Hey everyone, I'm making this video for my mom who is a bit of a finance person but is not familiar with Cash App. So here Cash App has its disclosures and so forth, and it also has some information on investing in your first stock. I didn't go through it right now. I won't go through it right now, but here is some of the slides that come up. Here are all of the slides actually that comes up when they tell you. And one of the main things I just made sure that I went through twice was that investing is risky. So if you can't afford to lose it, don't. Okay, so here's my page, just showing you. Here's the Cash App card that I don't care for. Here's the main page when sending and accepting money. And here is my gain for today. All right, so I'm up today. Woo! And here is the Bitcoin, which I use sometimes as well. And it's been up, and I should have kept my money in it. All right, so I invested about $154, and as you can see, I am up almost double that, and now I have 264. They're just showing you your portfolio at this point, and I'm just checking things. You can see it in other ways as well. So you see I have the white petroleum, which is why I'm up today, and here are some other stocks that you can follow. One of the stocks that I got into was Continental, United Continental, and Amazon, of course. I got into things that I used and also things that went down during COVID. So I knew Amazon was going to be up during COVID. I knew Alibaba or AliExpress was going to be up during COVID. I also saw white petroleum was really down compared to what it was. So I invested in that as well. Nike is currently down, but you have to kind of look through how it was within a year, within a month, and within a lifetime to see if you should invest in it or not. And I saw that there wasn't really of a change, maybe $10 or so, not enough for me to want to put in for Nike. It seems that people will always buy it. Here are some other stocks like Shopify. I couldn't believe how far it went up. I wish I had went and bought it at the beginning of this circumstance. It's an unfortunate circumstance, but it seems like a lot of stores are switching to Shopify to capitalize on quarantine and the COVID-19 virus. So here are some other stocks that was traded today. I'm looking at, I don't know what that is, Advanced Micro Devices, but it seems to be up. It's probably something technical. It didn't go down much. I'm going to check Carnival. Carnival's a cruise. It went up a little today. It's came up about $10 since quarantine, but I know that it can go up even more based on its track record um, in the past. So you can follow the stock and you can buy the stock, but just make sure you know what the potential is. And of course, like Newton's laws, what goes up must come down, and vice versa. Now you can see that on the stocks that I follow, Carnival is now there. So here is how you go about purchasing. There's several options, and I love Cash App because you don't have to buy the full stock. You can buy part of the stock. You can buy multiple shares in the stock. Whatever have you. And starting off, I was a little scared, so I definitely didn't. And I like that I can confirm whether or not I want to buy. So the main point is just to look at the stock and study it, see its high point or its peak over the years, month, week, and even the day, and compare it with what it is now. During COVID, a lot of the stocks went down, and I knew that most of them were going to go right back up. So again, what goes down comes back up, and vice versa. And also, the summer's coming up. There's going to be a lot of vacations that's going to come up. Gas companies are and rent is going to be paid again, and government bailouts will happen. So just you can use that type of knowledge or that thought process. You can also have your own thought process, and you can look at different companies, whether they're growing, well, whether they're developing. I'm not sure who owns TikTok, but that seems like something that a lot of people is doing now. So that seems to be growing, and you can have that type of mindset. Like, what is people going to use? I wish I would have thought about the Shopify, because it's not like I've never tried to use it. It's not like I don't know what it is, but it makes sense. No one's going brick and mortar stores. Everyone is entrepreneurs now. They need a place where people can purchase, and many are choosing Shopify. And you can look at other similar situations as well. So there you have it. Just make sure you check trends, and you check company backgrounds, and you check whether the company is going to be transitioning or doing something new. And you can also check based on your spending habits, those around you. You can look at trends based on what is happening now and how it is affecting others, and what you see is going to be coming about, like new business, a new situation, a rebranding of a business, a reopening of a business, and similar. So I hope you guys end up making some money, whether it's a little or a lot. And again, do not risk it all if you cannot afford to lose it. I do not want to see any more people jumping off buildings, killing themselves because of a loss they have in their retirement or in their risky funds on wherever their investments is. Just be safe, stay home, and make money like a pro. All right, see you guys next time.